If you want to boost speed on POCO C85, we have a couple of different ways to do so. For example, you can open the security app, and what you can do is you can wait a couple of seconds until this scanning is done, and then you should be able to optimize your phone, which is something that is recommended to do in order to try to speed up the phone. Of course, these options individually, they might not really make that much of a difference, but if you do all of these things at once or one after another, then of course this should help you at least a little bit. And once it is done, of course, we can move on to the next steps, so let me wait for it to be done. Alright, besides that, you might see some additional tips or something, but they are really not required to be done. After that, we can also use the boost speed option, which allows you to also get rid of, like, for example, third-party apps running somewhere in the background and get rid of some cache. Of course, we can still decide what we want to get rid of. I mean, not literally get rid of, but, you know, disable or deactivate or turn off until you reopen it. And you can see running system apps, of course, and you can decide by tapping on these circles or checks if something should be disabled or not. So there we go. This should definitely help you to speed up your phone as well. Another thing that you can do is, of course, perform the deep clean as well, although this is more like for the storage, but it might be quite useful in some cases at least. And another thing that you might want to do is extend the memory. So we do have a RAM boost over here on this phone. If we open the settings, then we can scroll down a little bit and we can proceed to additional settings. Then in here, open memory extension, and we can increase up to 8 GB of memory extension. In order to actually use it, we need to reboot our phone, so we need to apply these changes by using reboot. Of course, you can just do that later as well, so you don't have to do this right now, but of course you have to if you want to apply this this RAM boost, if you want to change it. And this should help you a little bit as well. So that's pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.